Welcome to the channel. Today's question is on hydrolysis in aqueous acetone. What are the products obtained from given compound? Dear aspirants, this question includes two concepts. They are nucleophilic substitution and rearrangement of carbocations. In the given compound, halogen is connected to the secondary carbon. So this is secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide with a poor nucleophile like H2O involves in SN1 reaction. Why? Because poor nucleophile like H2O cannot attack from backside to send out leaving group, hence that cannot involve in SN2 reaction. And that too, in this alkyl halide, around carbon, there are two bulky groups are there. This is one bulky group, this is one more bulky group. That also favors SN1 reaction. Hence, we are writing SN1 reaction to the given compound. Now take the given compound. One side the group is NO2, other side methoxy group is present, and on carbons we are writing groups as it is in the given question. This is the given compound in the question. In SN1 reaction, first step is ionization. That means leaving group goes out to form carbocation. When Cl minus is removed from this carbon, that carbon becomes positive. On this carbon, two groups are methyl and hydrogen, and on this carbon there is hydrogen. Because of removal of Cl minus ion, this carbon becomes positive, and on this carbon two methyls are present. Since secondary carbon has positive charge, this is secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation rearranges into most stable one. If you do 1,2 hydride shift, you will get this carbocation. Because of shifting of hydride ion, this carbon gets positive charge. This is tertiary carbocation, hence more stable than previous one. Due to hydride shift, here hydrogen will be there, and here there are two methyls. Tertiary carbon has positive charge, so this is tertiary carbocation. This is rearranged carbocation. But methanide shift is not possible. Why? Because the shift is not possible. Why? Because NO2 shows minus M effect. Due to minus M effect of NO2 group, if this carbon becomes positive, that it will be destabilized. But methoxy stabilizes this carbocation due to plus M effect. Hence, hydride shift is possible, but methanide shift is not possible. Like that, through rearrangement, we got tertiary carbocation. Then, nucleophile is H2O. When H2O attacks on secondary carbocation, we'll get this product. On this carbon, methyl and hydrogen are present. On this carbon, hydrogen is present from H2O, OH attacks. On this carbon, methyl and methyl are present. Similarly, when H2O attacks on tertiary carbocation, that is rearranged carbocation, we'll get this product. On this carbon, methyl is present from H2O, OH attacks. And on this carbon, hydrogen and hydrogen are present. On this carbon, methyl and methyl groups are present. So, we got two products. Among two products, this is major, this is minor. Why? Because most stable intermediate gives major product and a less stable intermediate gives minor product. So both are answers.